This is Ken at Tortoise Capital Management with the Education Minute. Something I've learned the past couple years is that the maximum sustainable rate of learning for what I teach is a combination of the Fletcher treatment for creativity from the work of Angus Fletcher at Ohio State for individual creativity, combined with the collaborative learning that's possible in true storytelling circles based on the work of Professor David Boji, combined with my own particular expertise in trading, that the combination of those three things, done deliberately, leads to a sustainable maximum rate of learning that helps us identify standard work to do, to perform those routine things routinely with excellence, to understand the difference between academic learning and test taking with living life forward with skill, leveraging the power of natural forces in our learning and performing, to have a deep commitment to truth-telling and deep listening that allows us to unleash our personal stories of growth in a trusted, safe, and truthful space. This is what allows us to focus on the transformation formula that purposeful action leveraging artifacts that you make and trust is greater than the forces that keep us in place of inertia, culture, and the status quo. Check us out to see how we do it, and thank you for your kind attention.